The Four Stanzas, Chaturgata. Homage to the Three Jewels. I pay homage to all victorious ones, those celebrated perfect Buddhas, and to their bodies that possess the 32 supreme marks. Where the perfect Buddhas were born, where they reached awakening, where they turned the wheel of peace, where they passed into parinirvana, free from defilement. Where those Sugatas sat, where they walked and stood, and where they slept like lions, to all those places I bow. I also bow to all stūpas, with and without relics, above, in between, below, and in the cardinal and intermediate directions. These stanzas were uttered by the victorious one, difficult to follow, the best of humans, who dwells in the northeastern direction. Those who praise the Tathagatas with these 4 stanzas will not go to the lower realms for 1,000 lifetimes. Thus ends the 4 stanzas.